Hey, your bad choices is costing you a lot of money, and I'll show you why. What's going on? It's Douglas James. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Got another awesome clip coming for you today. I'm going to talk to you today about why your bad choices is costing you money and what are the things you should be focusing on in order to grow as a person, business owner, entrepreneur, a family man, whatever your dreams are. You should be focusing on those things and not making these bad choices that are costing you money, time, and freedom. All right. So if you guys don't know me by now, I run multiple online marketing companies and I help a lot of businesses get new customers, right? And also teach and train thousands of people to do the same. And one of the biggest questions that I get so often is, Doug, tell me the difference between things that cost money and things that are an investment that can actually help me earn money, right? So there's a huge line between these things. There's so many things you can buy and purchase in the world, right? And money makes the world go round, right? If you don't have it, you're not thriving, you're not happy, right? But if you have money, you're able to provide for yourself, for your family, make better choices and decisions. Opportunities become more abundant when you have money. I was guilty of this too. I've purchased things and bought things that got me zero return. I bought them just for fun because I had money to blow, right? But I learned as time went on and I scaled my companies and I started helping and servicing a lot of people, I needed to put my money in places that are gonna return money back to me, and I'm not just blowing them on a car or blowing them on this crazy experience and we're not even really celebrating anything, right? So there's things that cost you money and there's also investments that get you money back, okay? There's a very distinct line between the two, okay? So things that cost you money aren't gonna produce anything for you value. Let me make a list for you. So these are things that cost you money, okay? Eating out, cars, buying houses, drinking, gambling, all right? These are all things that cost you money, and the list can go on and on, okay? Eating out. What are some things you can do to save money instead of eating out all the time, right? You can cook, you can meal prep, right? Go to the grocery, cook your food. Cars, all right? As soon as you buy a car and you drive it off the lot, its value goes through the ground, okay? So it's a lot better to find something that's a little bit older or do what I do, and actually I get a lot of crap about this, but I don't care. I actually love to lease cars. For me, leasing a car is so much better because I don't have to worry about when the car breaks down. If I got a 3-year lease, I just bring it in and they pay for everything, right? So I like to lease cars, all right? I don't buy cars because cars are replaceable, all right? Buying houses, okay? Up until this point, I've leased everywhere I've ever lived for the last 15 years, right? I love leasing because if anything breaks or if anything goes wrong in the home, just call the landlord up or just, whoever owns the property. Hey, this is wrong, and they come and fix it. I'm not responsible for it. I am looking at buying a home eventually soon that me and my family want to settle down in, right? But then I'm going to look at this as an investment opportunity to where if we ever move out of that house or area, we're just going to rent it out, okay? So it can produce money for us, all right? Drinking, all right? Binge drinking, going out to the bars, guys, that just costs you a lot of money. All right, it's okay to go out every now and then and celebrate, but make sure you're having something you're celebrating. Gambling, all right? The house always wins, okay? I know very few people that do this professionally that actually make money, but this is just a short list of things that are gonna cost you money, okay? So you can continue to do all these things, lottery tickets, right? You're just spending money on a dream. But there's also things that you can actually spend money on that's more of an investment and doesn't cost you money, right? So let's look at some investments. All right, so we got investments up here. What can you invest into that could return money to you? All right, an easy one that I like is called cryptocurrency. All right, it's the new online digital currency. Okay, Bitcoin, and you got all these things like XRP and all these different coins that are blowing up. Okay, so it's a good way. It's kind of like stocks. Right now, the economy is a little crazy. I would actually almost put stocks like you're gambling, but through decades, stocks at one time was a very predictable way to grow your company if you're doing it the right way. All right, but stocks is a little tricky. It is something that you can invest in. All right, real estate. Real estate. People always need a place to live. Okay, like where I live, I've always leased somewhere. I've always paid a lease and money to the person that owned the home. So the person that I'm renting from is making money. Right? So that's a prime example. And eventually one day I want to be doing this to the house I buy. I want to be leasing out rooms and leasing out the whole house, okay, and buying multiple homes, right? Another way that you can actually invest your money and actually have a return is investing into a business, all right? This is probably my #1 favorite pick out of everything here. Because when you have a business, it provides a product or service and solves a particular problem in a marketplace, you're actually adding value to people's lives, right? No matter what it is, you're solving a particular problem, you're providing a solution that solves a problem. And I love high value, high intent types of businesses. That's why I love this one. Like for example, one of my companies, we teach business owners, entrepreneurs, and just regular old people how to start and scale an online marketing company by helping small businesses get new customers. These dentists, chiropractors, attorneys, they don't know how to get customers for the internet. So that's why I got into the business of educating people on how to do that so they can have investment opportunities that return them income to their life. All right. So this is my favorite way to invest my money, is invest into businesses. I run a business that helps businesses get customers and also provide coaching to anybody that wants to learn how to do that as well. So you can have your own online business. And what does that do for you when you actually do this one? Having an online business gives you some amazing benefits. All right, there's a lot of people that don't enjoy their job, don't like working. There's no guarantee of a job. Maybe they went to college for 4 to 6 years, 8 years, not even guaranteed a job. Maybe they lost their job. Right? I was in the military for 10 years. I went through the process of getting out. Okay, there's no guarantee of me a job. Even if I wanted to after the military, I would have been very hard pressed to try to get a job out of the military. Luckily for me, I invested the money that I had into start an online business, and now I get to work from home, spend time with my family. I get to live in this condo in downtown San Diego. We get to do amazing things. Right? I drive some higher level vehicles that I never thought I would have been able to do. Me and my wife have taken vacations all over the world. And most importantly, I get to spend time with my daughter and my wife, and I don't have to leave them to go to an office every single day. So that's some of the major benefits on why it's so great to get into online business. So stop worrying about things that are costing you money. Yes, you can go out to eat every now and then. It's an anniversary, it's a birthday, I get all that stuff. It's a Friday night, you had a long week. Go have some drinks. Don't do it in excess where it's costing you money all the time, right? Understanding what you're getting when you're buying a car, when you're buying a house, these are all important things. How do you flip them and make money for yourself? Gambling is just bad, and this is just a small example. Focus on things that you can invest your money into where you're getting a return, like crypto, stocks, or real estate. But my favorite, like I said, is starting an online business. And what's really, really cool about the online business model too, if you can figure out how to automate it, to where it's paying you while you sleep, that's the best way. That's what I've been able to do for years, and that's what I've coached and mentored thousands of other people to do as well. So my name's Douglas James. That's my little piece on cost versus investments. Go subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this, and leave me a like and a comment below. What content would you like to see? Was this video impactful for you? I read my comments, and I would love to know what you think. So again, my name's Douglas James. Go subscribe, and hey, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.